Something's tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas.
One of my gorgeous clients who lives in America has just sent me this. Look at her. Oh my goodness. We'll see you soon.
Playing in the snow.
Good morning everyone, happy Thursday. We are currently on Thursday the 30th of November. Like I said in episode 1, I've actually recorded a couple of days ahead just in case anything goes wrong in New York, because I don't know whether the Wi-Fi is going to be good. Are we going to be able to upload? Like, is it going to be okay? So I just wanted to have a couple in the bag just in case. But today is actually the last working day in Rebecca Haydon HQ. I have quite a significant amount of clients today. So I have got up, got showered, got ready, done all my own mindset-y bits this morning, and now I'm just gonna have some brekkie before I get going with the first call with one of my clients in Australia. As you can hear, a cold did grace its presence in my life this week. Jack was really ill, kind of end of last week, really ill on Monday with just the flu. And I have a very good immune system, but it's snuck its way in a little bit, but I seem to be fighting it off quite well. So it's just, my throat was really bad Monday, Tuesday, but it's now just a bit of a sniffly nose, and I can deal with that. So yes, so I wanted to vlog today because 1, it is my last day in the office with the business before we go to New York, and 2, I'm actually doing wreath making this evening. It has been on my list to do for years. You know me and experiences. Wreath making has been up there with one of the experiences I wanted to have. And me, Mom, and my Auntie Jill have managed to find one in Shrewsbury. So we're going there tonight. So I'm going to take you through my day, take you through the last day in the office, and then take you wreath making as well. So I'm really excited. And I've never done it before. I've never made my own wreath. So I am buzzing.
Jolly time to have the whole family here for a few days of love and grace.
We are 2 sessions down and 3 to go. I have the CEO Edge in 10 minutes, which is my group course. Freaking love running it. We are the 4th week in, and today is all about ideal client. Maybe we're about to move into the neuromessaging part of the course. So first 2 sessions, we're actually in huge launches with both of those clients that I saw this morning. We're building an evergreen machine funnel for the very first client that I saw, and then the second client we're doing a huge launch
Merry Christmas.
Post Christmas, so into the new year, which are going to be amazing. So mapping that all out, making sure that we've got everything ready, and yes, getting ready for the CEO Edge now.
All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Choirs of angels sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
The sacrifices I make for you too.
Come join in our song, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming.
Oh my goodness, what a day. That was so much fun. I have never ever done wreath making before, and I've always wanted to. There were so many different ones that we found that I just couldn't do the dates of because it was over the time that we were in New York. So managed to get one today, which I'm really happy that we did. It was so fun, and the wreath looks really cute on the door. I'll do a little B-roll here of the wreath. But back home now, and I think I'm gonna do a little bit of packing, ready for tomorrow. We're gonna be leaving early tomorrow, so we're actually going down to Heathrow tomorrow. We're gonna bypass through Bicester. We're gonna go to Bicester Village for a little shop and some lunch, and then head to Heathrow, and then we actually fly on Saturday at 10:45 to New York. Yes, so gonna go and get ready for bed, because it's like way past my bedtime. I'm usually in bed by about 8:30, and it's now nearly 9:30. How dare I? Get packed, get ready, and then in the morning I think we're gonna leave at about 10 o'clock. So thank you for joining me for episode 2 of Vlogmas. The next couple of episodes is going to be us in New York, and I'm so excited. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.